Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I am John Harvey and today I'll be telling you about all the planets in the solar system. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. Let's start off with the first planet in the whole solar system. Yeah, you thought I was gonna say universe, but I was gonna say solar system. Okay, let's do this. Mercury is, so as some of you might know, is the closest planet to the sun. Now, now because it's so close to the sun, Mercury is really burning up like you could like it's so hot it could get you could burn up. Your eyes would burn up. And even if you could survive the heat, the temperature, once it's night, the temperature drops to below zero. Below zero. When at daytime it's so hot, your face will burn. Like, you'll become the new Ghost Rider. Next, but at night it'll become so chilling that you freeze solid. You could freeze a beak of a penguin. Yeah, I said that. Next. So the next planet. Also, before we move on, Mercury has no atmosphere, so don't even think of going there. It is getting because it has no atmosphere. It gets hit by meteorites. Like it rains meteors daily there on a daily basis. Can you believe that? Okay, I can't believe that. So we're done with Mercury, so let's move on to Venus. Venus is hotter. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Now, you may be wondering, why is Venus the hottest? Mercury is way like 2 times closer to the sun than Venus is. Well, to answer that question, first of all, Mercury when it gets heat, it absorbs it, doesn't let it out. Like, it gets hotter and hotter day to day. Even if you could survive the blazing heat, it's impossible. Like, really. You could not survive the extreme cosmic you'd be like choking to death there because the air is not full of oxygen. It's full of carbon dioxide and it's toxic. As soon as you enter the atmosphere if you have a rocket, your rocket would soon melt with just 1 second. The heat from Venus is so hot that it can melt lead. Like, wow, that is some extreme temperature. Okay, move on. We're finally getting off to the warm, relaxing Earth, our home planet. Earth is probably the most suitable place humans are gonna live in because it's perfect. It's a paradise. We've got oxygen, we got plenty of water, there's even animals. Yeah, that is true. But there's one thing that Earth, other than it being habitable by humans. One thing that Venus and Mercury don't have. Earth has a moon! Yay! Yay, a moon! Yeah, the moon. If you were in another planet, if you were in Venus or Mercury, at night you wouldn't see a moon, so it would be really dark. Like, you'll be sleeping with the lights off, even if you didn't put the light off. Okay, I'm being extreme. Okay, but next up we have Mars. Mars is the second smallest, second planet, second only to Mercury. Well, Mars is by far the future Earth. Yeah, because humans are planning to go and visit there soon enough. By 100 years from now, at 2100, we will all be living on Mars, but 50 years before that, we'll be living on the moon. Yes, we'll be living everywhere. So Mars really is a great place. But you don't know, Mars used to have life. But they all died out because of the dust storms and scarcity of water. Yeah. How sad, little Martians. But soon, Mars will be habitable again because humans are gonna go there. Soon. In the near future. Definitely. They'll definitely happen. Okay. Moving on. Now we're going to the gas giants. These planets are bigger than all four of these planets are bigger than all of the other planets that I just mentioned, 2 times the size of them. Extreme. But before we go on, I'd like to quickly mention about the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is I forgot what the asteroid belt was about. I'm just kidding. The asteroid belt is a result of a planet that might have tried to form, ripped to pieces by Jupiter's strong to be like, get out of here, fool! Ah! And it splashed, and the remaining parts of the planet that used to be there turned into the asteroid belt. Then they just kinda spin around the sun. Okay, next we have Jupiter, the biggest giant, the biggest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is 1,000,000 times bigger than Earth and is bigger than all the planets combined. Oh, goodness, Jupiter also has the biggest moon and the most moons. But most of them are quite small compared to Earth's moon. But there are 4 biggest. The 4 biggest are Ganymede, Europa, Callisto, and the name of the other one I forgot. Sorry. So up next we have. Oh, I remember now. It was Io. Tricked you again. Okay, next we move on to Saturn. Saturn is probably just another gas giant, but there's one thing different about this. It has a ring, like hula hoop ring. The rings are actually made of ice, rock, and dust that pulled together by by Saturn's gravitational pull, and then they just spin around Saturn. And the moon, and some of the moons called the shepherd moons, are used to keep them in place. No, no moving. I order you, cruel moon. Wow. Okay, let's move on to Uranus. Uranus is the first planet to be found by a telescope. Aha! I found it! Let's name it Uranus. Yeah. Okay, Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. Yeah, because it's just really a ball. It's literally just a ball of ice, a block of ice spinning on our sun. Yeah, that's true. Okay, let's move on to Neptune. Neptune is the last planet on this list. Okay, Neptune is by far the last and most lonely planet in the solar system, because it's the last one. It's just there. But Neptune has a really cold atmosphere and also a tiny mini spot which is similar to Jupiter's red spot, and it's called the Scooter because it moves around. Like whoa. Okay, but you may be wondering because I forgot Pluto. Well, Pluto was a planet, but not today. Yeah, because Pluto is a forgettable planet, and it's too small to compare with the solar system planet. So it's not a planet. But comment down below. But you comment down to my video to see if you want me to make a video about all the dwarf planets, including Pluto. But I will do that eventually. Okay, but this is the end now for the video. So see you guys. Bye bye.